Hello students, today we will discuss Unit 4 Government Budget and the Economy Part 3 Measures of Government Deficit. Types of Government Budget. Budget may be balanced, may be unbalanced. Balanced budget when government receipts and government expenditure are same. Unbalanced budget when government receipts and government expenditure are not equal. It may be surplus budget, may be deficit budget. Surplus budget when government receipts are greater than government expenditure. Deficit budget when government expenditure are greater than government receipts. Deficit budget or budget deficit is the difference between total expenditure and total receipts. Total expenditure is greater than total receipts. Budget deficit may be primary deficit, fiscal deficit, or revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is the difference between revenue expenditure and revenue receipts. Revenue deficit is the excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipts. If revenue expenditure is given 125 lakh, revenue receipts are given 100 lakhs, capital receipts are given 50 lakh. What is revenue deficit? Revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts is equal to 25 lakh. We will ignore the capital receipts. Fiscal deficit is the excess of total expenditure over total receipts other than borrowing. Fiscal deficit is equal to borrowing. If estimated total expenditure of the government is given 1500, revenue receipts 1200, non-debt capital receipts are given 100 lakhs, fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt capital receipts. It is equal to 200. Primary deficit is the difference between fiscal deficit and interest payments. Now we will solve the numerical. Revenue receipts, tax revenue, non-tax revenue, capital receipts, revenue expenditure, borrowing and interest payment is given. How can we calculate revenue deficit? Revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. In this numerical, revenue receipts are given. Tax and non-tax revenue is also given. If revenue receipts are given, we will ignore the tax and non-tax revenue. They are the components of revenue receipts. So, revenue deficit is equal to 33 lakh. Fiscal deficit is equal to borrowing. So, borrowing are 40 lakhs. Fiscal deficit is equal to 40 lakhs. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Fiscal deficit is 40 lakh. Interest payment is 28 lakh. So, primary deficit is 12 lakh. Thank you.